Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're working on Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. Both of them first generation, is the same vehicle. We'll show you how to remove and replace the switch for the rear power windows on the rear door, guys, right here. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's grow that channel together. So for the window switch, guys, you don't need to remove the door panel. You can do it without removing, but we won't explain why, and you might have to if you're not able to. Right here, okay, when it goes in, let me show you this piece. Okay, if you pry it in, okay, you can pull it out. You see right there. If you're not able to press it in all the way, it won't come out. So if you press it from the back, okay, you pull the switch, okay, check it out, just like that, and this is the wire. You press in and you pull, okay, and this is the rear door window switch, guys. So that's how you remove it. You replace it the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.